Smudgy.
Hell no.
It's him and Tyler.
Okay, let's spy on him for a little bit. Gotta check if there's any reinforcements.
Behind us.
What?
There's no one behind us.
Alright, what do you want to do? Do you want to open fire on him? Even if we can't hit him? For the hell of it? Scare him?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Shit. We're at a stalemate, damn it. Oh, let's see. Calling for reinforcements.
Maybe we can hit them on their way here.
Okay, if they start running, we run the other way. What do we do?
If I knew I had a lot more ammo, I'd run it. But
Yeah, I don't have a lot of ammo either, but I've got clips.
I still have an extra pistol and a few maybe 100 rounds.
They're barricaded up there. How are we gonna do this? It'd be awesome if I could get the woods there. We should have just kept sneaking behind them.
Yeah, we should have been right behind him and shot him a few times.
They're calling for cover. Alright, let's get down on the ground here. Yeah, but they won't be able to reach us. Range-wise.
That's a huge tree.
What?
The tree that they're... Or is that not a tree?
No, it's not a log, I thought it was. It's a, what the hell they call them? Hill protector or some shit. Alright, let's start moving ahead, see what they do.
Watch out for Eric.
I'm not gonna shoot that kid. Now what? Alright, they start advancing. They may just charge us and we gotta book it the other way. Okay.
Once I see them like get up, I'm gone.
Tell me if they start moving, right?
Yeah. Looks like you're talking about something moving their hands.
Hey, they're all down here now. They just came running down in the middle of the field here.
What field?
Like the second one over from the driveway. Where's Dennis?
This way. Well, we're on that path where we were last time. That's where we all saw. They must run up this way. Dennis!
We need all of them.
Yeah, we need everyone to come down that way.
Fuck. There's a Y in this path. So take the right or the left.
Which way are you facing? There's a Y in the path.
I'm towards your house, and I'm from their base.
You're towards the house?
I'm facing towards the house, and by their base.
You're at their base.
I'm gonna go with the right.
I don't know. Okay, if you go down the little corner where we went in the pasture, and you take a right, and you just stay through there, you're gonna end up where they are. Or just get.
Alright, I got the next one on.
Alright, just
I'm
get.
gonna put him on the phone with you.
Okay.
Dennis, it's Jeremy. Talk to him.
Hey, Dennis. Okay, they're in the middle of the second field with the big tree in it.
Okay.
Get all your troops down there. Go through the pasture. Go through the pasture.
Wall hammer.
Let's go.
Okay, see you there.
Meet you there.
Yep, see you.
John standing.
You standing? This is fun. Alright, let's retreat. Let's lay down on the ground here. Alright, now we just gotta wait until they come charging down.
It's a waiting game.
Yep. That's how you do it. Thank God we have cell phones. We're screwed.
Mine's underneath. John's got his gun aimed.
He ain't gonna hit us. I can't hit him. He can't hit us.
Where is he? Tyler's moving.
They're moving. Shit. If they come charging, we gotta start holding them back.
They're coming. Here comes people.
Okay, you start shooting at them. Tyler sneaking around. You got Cooper.